All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol NOVN, Novan Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. Don't keep this insight to yourselves. And down below in the description, I'm going to put two videos that are talking in regards to the overall market and how it's been reacting in the last couple of months and even weeks, and what to expect in the next upcoming weeks. And I hope that you guys find it informative. Everyone that's watched it so far has actually found it very helpful and great and worthwhile. I hope you guys do too. And if it's your first time viewing and coming across my channel, welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. And here we are to go ahead and analyze charts and also learn together, grow together, and let's make some money, right? So let's go ahead and see what's going on in this chart. This chart had a very bearish run, and honestly, it leveled out at the support, which is sometimes very rare for you to see a stock level out like that, leveling out right on the support. That's very interesting to see and what's going on here with this stock. So it's going to be so important and pivotal on that point, because you could see that this leveled off. It still had some slight falling down in the slope, and then it finished right there. So let's see what is to be expected for tomorrow. So the first thing is the support is like a cent less than, obviously, than the closing price. This closed out at 11, excuse me, 82.87, and 81.81 is the support level. The resistance level is slightly above that, and it's not even that much of a difference, probably about 10 cents, and it falls below the 50-day moving average. So if that support is broken through, this is just going to get much more bearish, and there's two things that can happen, right? 81.81 gets broken through, falls down into this area. Two things can happen. Either the bulls are going to take advantage of the price and bring this one back up, or the bears are going to continue to tear this one apart and move it further away from the 50-day moving average of 92.84. Let's see if I can land exactly on it. So hard to get on those thousands place. 92.82 is the closest I can get to it, but it's 92.84, the 50-day moving average. And that is the key indicator whether the bears are in control and this is going to continue to get destroyed, or if the bulls are in control and this is going to have an upward rally. So right now, since it broke through it and it's below it, right, 92.84, the bears are in control, and if they break through the support, they're going to just gain much more control. Now, if the bulls take advantage of the price and try to bring this one back up, even if they bring it back up from down here and it just hangs out in this area and it didn't break through the 50-day moving average, the bulls have defeated the purpose of bringing it back up, unless they're trying to work their way up slowly over time. But in these moments right now, with this volatileness of how this just fell down and how this just rose up, I mean, the bulls are going to have to come in strong and bring it up. The first level of resistance that the bulls are going to want to break through to start this bullish run is 91.49. If the bulls can break through that and use it as support, and they test it and it proves itself, they can start to break through new resistance levels and possibly get themselves above the 50-day moving average. Now, the way this stock ended the day, if there wasn't this little drop of bull and there wasn't this little drop of bull, I would state that there's a possibility that this could turn around, because the bears are exhausted, because it just started to slow down. Usually when the bears are really tearing a stock apart, they show up like this. And when they're getting exhausted, they show up like this, like very slow down. But the thing is that may have slowed them down just a bit is the little drops of bull here. So I'm not quite sure if the bulls are able to turn this around and if the bears are exhausted just yet, because the last moment where the bulls appeared, from that moment forward, it got steep again. And if I zoom in, you could see that this was leveled off, but this was steep again. So right now, the tug of war is going to be very, very interesting for tomorrow. We're going to have to see how it plays out and how much control the Bears are starting to gain, and if they're even going to maintain control, or if the Bulls are going to reappear and take control on this one. So we'll have to see how it plays out. It's going to be very interesting. We'll pay close attention to how it goes tomorrow. And as always, if you learn something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. And don't forget, in the description down below, check out those videos. They're going to be worthwhile and they're very, very informative. And I will be posting weekly videos on when the pumps are coming. And that's what's talked about in those videos. Talks about the previous pumps leading up to the last pump of yesterday. And we're just waiting on when the next one's coming. And I will be posting a video on that later this week. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.